Eva, and welcome back to Korean Ladder. Today we finally count the things and people right in front of us.
안녕하세요. 저는 하나예요. In English, hi, I'm Hana, and today we make counting feel real.
안녕하세요. 저는 준호예요. I'm Junho. Apples, tickets, friends at a table. You'll count them cleanly.
Okay, real beginner panic. I can say 하나, 둘, 셋, but in a cafe I freeze. Do I just point and say numbers?
좋은 질문이에요. In Korean, we usually count with a little helper word after the number. That helper is called a counter.
Today we learned just two first helpers. 개 for things you can count and 명 for people.
그리고 질문도 배워요. 몇 개예요? Means how many things. 몇 명이에요? It means how many people.
So but is like asking how many, and then I choose 개 or vong, depending on what I'm looking at.
Exactly. And before those counters, we use the short native numbers. 한, 두, 세, 네.
들어보세요. 한 개예요. In English, it's one item. 한 is one, 개 counts the thing, and 예요 makes it a soft full sentence.
두 개예요? Two items. 세 개예요. Three items. Hear the pattern. Number, then 개, then 예요.
사람일 때는 명이에요. 한 명이에요. In English, it's one person. 명 is the people counter.
두 명이에요. Two people. 세 명이에요. Three people. Same short numbers, different counter.
Wait. Why? 예요.
After a, but.
예요. 애프터명.
귀 좋네요. 개 ends openly, so 예요 feels smooth. 명 ends with a final consonant, so 이에요 fits better. Same polite is frame.
Now the questions. 몇 개예요? In English, how many things are there? Or how many of these?
그리고 사람 질문이에요. 몇 명이에요? In English, how many people?
So if I see apples, I ask.
몇 개예요?
If I see friends at a table,
몇 명이에요?
Yes. Short answers can reuse the same frame. 네. 개예요. Four things. 다섯 명이에요. Five people.
한 가지 더요. 하나 does not sit before the counter. Before 개 or 명, one becomes 한.
Got it. 한 개, 두 개, 세 개.
for things,
한 명, 두 명, 세 명.
for people. The number shortens, then the counter lands.
Let's hear it in a tiny cafe moment. Listen for 몇 개예요 and 두 개예요.
빵, 몇 개예요? 그럼 사람은 몇 명이에요?
두 명이에요.
들으셨죠? Same scene, two counters. Food takes 개, people take 명.
My turn. Repeat after me.
몇 개예요?
좋아요. Again, a little smoother. 몇 개예요?
몇 명이에요?
완벽해요. Now a short answer. Try 세 개예요.
세 개예요.
And people, 세 명이에요.
세 명이에요.
Okay, but I almost said,
세 개예요.
for people. That feels like the trap.
맞아요. English speakers often keep the number and forget to switch the helper. 세 개예요 is great for three apples, not three guests.
Another common slip, 하나 개. That mixes the full number with the counter. Make it 한 개.
So if someone asks about friends and I answer,
세 개예요.
that's the classic mistake.
네, 물건이면 개, 사람이면 명. In English, things take 개, people take 명. That one switch fixes so much.
Quick check. At a cafe door, the host asks how many people are in your group. Which answer sounds natural?
My gut says B,
세 명이에요.
because we're counting people, but C feels tempting too.
정답은 B 3명이에요. A uses 게, so it sounds like 3 things. C is just the bare number, so it feels incomplete here.
If the question were about cookies, then 3개예요 would win. Same number, different world.
자, 핵심만 정리해요. 하나, 물건을 셀 때는 게를 써요. For things, use 게.
둘, 사람을 셀 때는 명을 써요. 둘, for people, use 명.
셋, 질문은 간단해요. 몇 개예요? 몇 명이에요? Ask with 몇, then the matching counter.
넷, 답할 때는 한, 두, 세 같은 짧은 수의 개나 명을 붙이면 돼요. Answer with short number plus counter.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 몇 개예요? How many things? That question opens the whole counting habit.
And keep its partner ready too. 몇 명이에요? When faces are what you're counting, switch to 명.
I'm taking home.
몇 개예요? And 몇 명이에요?
Look first, then pick a or vong. Thanks, Hannah and Juno.
오늘도 잘했어요. See you on the next rung.
수고했어요. Keep counting out loud.
That's Korean ladder for today. I'm Ava with Hannah and Juno.
안녕. See you next time.